Okay, so today's day 8. Yesterday we trimmed a bunch of the trees. You got trees here so we could paint the outside that were hitting the building. We also trimmed it in the back. Some of the other stuff that we did for the other day, was we did finalize. We caulked all the windows. We cleaned the window sills, the windows. We caulked all the windows. We made sure all of our stuff is ready for prep. So we caulked where required. We filled holes again. We put second and third coats on. Matter of fact, that's still a little wet, you can see. We replaced the window and that door and that glass. The window's actually done. The trim around the door is not. The glass is done and it's caulked in, but until we get the nailer here and we do the trim, we won't nail in that window trim. We did put this bifold door on, which was missing. As you can see, all of that is ready for prep, is ready for sanding. That's the next step, is to sand and then spray the texture. But all of this is now ready for texture. I mean, it may seem like it took 2 days to do this, but to do proper paint prep, it takes some time. I mean, it takes time. This bifold door is back up. Here, everything's ready. These windows and window sills have also been cleaned, caulked windows. So we're getting very close to being ready to be painted. This is now fully filled in. It needs a good sand, but it's ready for texture. We actually, I don't know if you can see it, but around those vents, we caulked around those. So that's actually the ductwork for the HVAC system. But yeah, here again, all the windows, they were cleaned on the inside. They were all sanded and then filled where necessary. Here you can see we caulked along that edge. This is almost ready. There seems to be one more coat that may need to be put on here. It's a little off. So we may add one more coat for that before it's ready to be sanded and textured. But going through on every window, every patch, every windowsill, caulk where necessary. So now it's just a good sand, maybe fill a few more spots. We worked a lot in here. That had like a trowel texture. It's the only trowel texture in the entire house. So we're going to go back to a knockdown that's here. So we did work on that a bit. We also worked on this closet. This closet has areas where it needed it. I missed a talk there. Yeah. Anyways, so we did tape that. We got that cracked, filled. So that was the other day. This door will go there, but I got to trim it out more. It's a 27-inch opening for a 24-inch door, so I need to trim it out. So that is what we did for the last day. Today we're going to go, we have the crew coming again, and we're going to clean up the rest of the yard, which needs it. We did cut the bushes in the back, and so today is load it up in front and get the garbage out of the yard and into the front, because the city will pick it up on Monday. That's it. I'll give you more of an update as we proceed to the next day.